Chapter 1: Data Storage and Memory. Learning Objectives. Define data and information. Explain computer memory. Identify primary memory. Describe secondary memory. Measured computer memory. Computers store and process data to provide useful information. The computer's memory helps in storing this data. Did you know? Computers use a binary system where data is stored as 0s and 1s. Data and information. Data is raw facts and figures without any context. For example, numbers, words, and symbols are data. When data is processed and organized, it becomes information. Information is meaningful and helps us in decision-making. Computer memory. Computer memory is the storage space of the computer where data and instructions are stored. It helps the computer to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Without memory, a computer would not be able to remember what it needs to do. Types of memory. There are two main types of computer memory. 1. Primary memory. 2. Secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer system. It is also called the internal memory or main memory. This memory is built into the computer and stores data and instructions that the computer needs to work on immediately. Types of primary memory. 1. Random access memory, RAM. 2. Read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory. RAM is a type of primary memory where the computer stores data temporarily. It is used by the computer to store data that is currently being processed. Characteristics of a RAM. Volatile memory. The data stored in RAM is lost when the computer is turned off. Fast access. The CPU can access data in RAM quickly. Example, when you open a program, it gets loaded from the hard drive into the RAM so that the CPU can access it quickly. Read-only memory, ROM. ROM is a type of primary memory that contains data permanently. The data in RAM cannot be changed or erased. Characteristics of a ROM, non-volatile memory. The data remains even when the computer is turned off. Permanent storage. ROM stores essential programs that are needed for the computer to start up and function. Example, the instructions that tell the computer how to boot up are stored in ROM. Fact: RAM is faster than ROM but cannot retain data without power, whereas ROM retains data but is slower to access than RAM. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is used for storing data permanently. Unlike primary memory, it is not directly accessible by the computer's processor. Secondary memory provides a place for data to be saved for long-term use. Magnetic disk. A magnetic disk is a storage medium that uses magnetic patterns to store data. It is widely used because it allows for large amounts of data to be stored and accessed relatively quickly. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device in computers. It is located inside the CPU box. Characteristics of a hard disk. large storage capacity. Hard disks can store vast amounts of data, ranging from hundreds of gigabytes (GB) to several terabytes (TB). Permanent storage, data stored on a hard disk, remains even when the computer is turned off. Example, the operating system and installed programs are typically stored on a hard disk. External hard disk. An external hard disk is a portable version of the hard disk that can be connected to the computer via a USB port. Characteristics of an external hard disk: portability, easy to carry and use with different computers. Additional storage provides extra storage space for files and backups. Optical disc. An optical disc is a storage medium that uses laser technology to read and write data. It includes various types of discs such as CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Compact disc. CD. A CD is a circular disc used to store data. It is commonly used for music, software, and other small files. Characteristics of a CD: storage capacity typically holds 700 MB of data. Types: CDR, compact disc, recordable data, can be written once. CDR, compact disc, rewritable, data can be written, erased, and rewritten multiple times. Digital versatile disc, DVD. A DVD is similar to a CD but can store more data. Characteristics of a DVD: storage capacity can hold up to 4.7 GB on a single layer and up to 8.5 GB on a dual layer. Uses commonly used for movies and larger software programs. Example, many movies are available on DVDs due to their higher storage capacity compared to CDs. Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc offers even higher storage capacity than DVDs. Characteristics of a Blu-ray disc: storage capacity up to 25 GB on a single layer and 50 GB on a dual layer. Example, Blu-ray discs are popular for storing HD movies. Did you know? The term Blu-ray comes from the blue laser used to read the disc, which allows for more data storage compared to the red laser used for CDs and DVDs. Flash storage. Flash storage refers to electronic storage devices that use flash memory to store data. Flash storage is known for being fast, reliable, and portable. Common examples include USB flash drives, pen drives, and memory cards. Flash drive. A flash drive is a small portable storage device that plugs into a computer's USB port. Characteristics of a flash drive: portable, easy to carry and use. Durable. No moving parts, making it less prone to damage. Storage capacity ranges from a few gigabytes (GB) to several terabytes (TB). Example, flash drives are commonly used to transfer files between computers. Did you know flash drives, developed by M Systems and first introduced by IBM in 2000, have since become one of the most popular forms of portable storage? Pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable storage device that uses flash memory to store data. It is also known as a USB flash drive or thumb drive. Pen drives are widely used for storing and transferring files between computers and other devices. Characteristics of a pen drive: plug and play, can be inserted into a USB port and used immediately. Storage capacity: similar to other flash drives. Example: a pen drive is used for portable storage and transfer of digital files such as documents, photos, music, and videos. Memory card. A memory card is a small portable card used to store data in devices like cameras, smartphones, and tablets. Characteristics of a memory card: compact size, small enough to fit into portable devices. Variety of sizes, available in different capacities, typically from a few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes. Example: used in digital cameras to store photos and cloud storage. Cloud storage is a service that enables users to save files and data on remote servers accessed via the Internet. It provides a safe backup for important data, protecting it from local hardware failures. This type of storage is managed by cloud service providers. Google Drive offers free and paid storage options with integration into Google's suite of applications. Dropbox, known for its easy-to-use interface, making it simple for users of all ages to store, share, and manage files. OneDrive, integrated with Microsoft Office applications, providing seamless access to documents and files. Measuring the memory. Memory in computers is measured using various units that reflect the amount of data that can be stored. Basic units of measurement are bit, the smallest unit of data in a computer, representing a binary digit 0 or 1. Bit stands for binary digit. Byte, a group of 8 bits. It is the basic unit for measuring data. Larger units of measurement. Kilobyte KB 1 KB equals 1024 bytes. Megabyte MB 1 MB equals 1024 KB. Gigabyte GB 1 GB equals 1024 MB. Terabyte TB 1 terabyte equals 1024 GB. Petabyte PB 1 PB is equal to 1024 terabytes. Exabyte EB 1 EB is equal to 1024 PB. Zettabyte ZB 1 ZB is equal to 1024 EB. Yottabyte YB1 YB is equal 1024 ZB. Chapter Essentials. Computers store and process data to provide useful information. Data is raw facts and figures, while information is processed and meaningful. Computer memory helps in storing data and performing tasks efficiently. Primary memory includes RAM and ROM, which store data temporarily and permanently. Secondary memory stores data permanently and includes hard disks and optical disks. Flash storage uses flash memory for fast portable data storage. Cloud storage enables saving files on remote servers accessed via the Internet. Memory is measured in units like bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and more.